So hello everyone, welcome back to Hollywood Regulatory Bodies. As you all are preparing for SEBI Grade A 2024, I have brought a very important information for all of you, and that is, yes, the salary slip as well as the job profile for the exam which you are actually preparing for. Yes, today we will discuss what is that amount of rupees which you are taking home from your salary if you become a SEBI Grade A officer, and at the same time, if you became a SEBI Grade A officer, then what are your responsibilities? What is the job profile? How is the life? Let's discuss that today. Okay. So first we will directly jump to the salary slip. So we will, in this lecture, we will discuss about salary slip. Then we will be discussing about job profile. So stay tuned and do not miss any of the content. Now let us look at the salary slip. If you split the salary slip into two sections, आपको एक चीज दिख जाएगी. Here is the earning part. Here are the deductions. In total, if I show you, आपकी basic pay जो है SEBI की, you can understand here it is 44,500 rupees. इसके ऊपर now आपके पास लगेंगे allowances. What are the allowances? एक होता है special allowance. This is 8,250 rupees. Then है grade allowance. That is 10,400 rupees. Then is dearness allowance. I hope that you are knowing what is dearness allowance. Dearness allowance, inflation. It considers the inflation. Then comes family allowance, which is almost 1,780 rupees. फिर आता है house allowance, local allowance. These are also allowances. Apart from basic salary, these are the allowances you get. You may be knowing about special compensatory allowance, learning allowance also, special grade allowance, and then your NPS contribution. This all, if you add on, the overall salary is close to 1,40,000. Round about 1,40,000. 1,35,000, 1,40,000. ये range है आपकी total salary. लेकिन now in this, deductions would be there. Let us see what are the deductions. NPS contribution 10,000. We all know. Then comes one more NPS contribution which is 11,000. Then आपका profession tax, income tax, lunch recovery, medical assistance and special advance recovery. These are all the deductions जो कि almost 50,000 है. तो ओवरऑल अगर आप देखोगे तो आपकी टेक अवे सैलरी यहां पर मैंने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से दी है. तो यहां पर आपका कंपोनेंट ऑफ सैलरी है मंथली सैलरी, इन हैंड सैलरी एंड रिमार्क्स. आप देख सकते हो बेसिक प्लस डियरनेस अलाउंस प्लस स्पेशल अलाउंस प्लस फैमिली अलाउंस, वो आपका 1,40,000 रुपए है इन हैंड. लेकिन आपके आता है कितना? 1 लाख ही. क्यों? क्योंकि ये जो 40,000 है, मैंने पहले दिखा दिया आपको डिडक्शंस कितने 40-50,000 है. तो 1,40,000 1,50,000 से 50,000 माइनस करेंगे तो ऑलमोस्ट आपका इन हैंड 1 लाख ही है. अब इसमें और अदर अलाउंसेस है. ठीक है, बाकी के मंथली और एनुअल अलाउंसेस जो होते हैं वो यहां पर ऐड किए गए हैं ताकि आपको इन हैंड आपकी सैलरी कितनी है वो पता लगे. तो पेट्रोल अलाउंस है, न्यूज़पेपर अलाउंस है, सर्वेंट मेड अलाउंस, टेलीफोन अलाउंस, मेडिकल अलाउंस, लैपटॉप अलाउंस, फर्नीचर अलाउंस, ऑल दीज अलाउंस थोड़े से सिमिलर है. कौन से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से? यस, आरबीआई के रिलेटेड ही ऐसे ही सेम अलाउंसेस होते हैं. सोडेक्सो, बुक्स एंड स्पेक्टेकल अलाउंस, सारे के सारे सेम टू सेम अलाउंसेस है, सिमिलर टू आरबीआई. ये सारे अगर आप ऐड करते हो तो इन टोटल 1,80,000 हो जाती है. लेकिन डिडक्शंस अगर आप 50,000 40-50,000 सब्सट्रैक्ट करते हो तो आपके हाथ में 1,40,000 ही है. तो आपकी सीटीसी हो जाती है ऑलमोस्ट 22 लाख रुपीज. तो आपकी सीटीसी कितनी है? 22 लाख रुपीज. इन हैंड आपके कितने रह जाती है? 1,40,000. ठीक है. एंड डिडक्शंस के बाद अगर आप देखते हो तो मैंने पहले ही आपको दिखा दिया, इट इज ऑलमोस्ट 1 लाख टू 1,18,000. ठीक है. तो ये आपका टोटल सैलरी स्लिप हुआ. नाउ आफ्टर डिस्कसिंग द सैलरी स्लिप हम जॉब प्रोफाइल का डिस्कशन करेंगे, बट बिफोर दैट थोड़ा सा रुको. सी, फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर सेबी ग्रेड ए एग्जाम, एक बात याद रख लो. अभी मैंने सैलरी स्लिप दिखा दी. सो इफ यू वांट टू गेट इनटू दैट 1% क्लब जहां पर सीटीसी 22 लाख रुपीज है, वोपिंग 22 लाख रुपीज, एंड इट इज नॉट अ प्राइवेट कंपनी टू वर्क इन, इट इज अ गवर्नमेंट कंपनी, मतलब गवर्नमेंट जॉब, और 20 लाख से ज्यादा आपका सीटीसी. कितनी ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी है. इफ यू वांट टू प्रिपेयर फॉर सेबी, इफ यू वांट योर श्योर शॉट सिलेक्शन, this is your course. We have a live complete course which we have launched for SEBI Grade A 2024. You will get live classes, concept videos, detailed study notes, current affairs capsules, mock tests, descriptive test with evaluations. You could see Divyanshu sir would be taking finance classes and management classes. He'll also take SEBI's commerce and accountancy. Lakshmi ma'am, economy expert, she'll take macro and microeconomic topics. Then Pooja ma'am will be looking after all the GA section. I'll be looking after mentorship and guidance, and of course Ajay sir will be looking of costing, Companies Act. These are the subjects. In total we will try to cover your overall syllabus. So here phase 1 and phase 2, complete all the syllabus we are going to cover. Okay, so these are the overall things. Then we'll be talking about the job profile. So whenever anyone thinks of job profile, he thinks of कि मेरा ट्रेनिंग कहाँ पर होगा, how is the work culture, work timings, responsibilities, duties. Yes, wait there, अभी डिस्कस कर लेंगे. So पहले तो if you get selected in SEBI grade A, ठीक है, आप SEBI grade A ऑफिसर बन जाते हो, ठीक है, तो अगर आप असिस्टेंट मैनेजर बन गए तो आपकी ट्रेनिंग कहां पर होगी? तो यस, आपकी ट्रेनिंग होती है NISM कैंपस में, जो कि है मुंबई के पास ही में एक एरिया है, वहां पर है, ठीक है. द ट्रेनिंग इज फ्रॉम 9 to 5 ओनली, सिमिलर टू सेबीज जॉब. जो आपका वर्किंग टाइमिंग्स होते हैं 9 to 5 ही आपकी ट्रेनिंग होती है, बट इट इज अ वेरी एनरिचिंग ट्रेनिंग इन एंड वेरी गुड सराउंडिंग. सो ऑलमोस्ट देयर इज वन ऑफ माय कलीग इन सेबी, उसने ये कहा है द बेस्ट ट्रेनिंग अगर हम देखें, he has also communicated with various of his colleague who are in RBI, NABARD. तो उसने कहा है कि सेबी की जो ट्रेनिंग होती है इट इज रियली वेरी वेरी एनरिचिंग. देन कम्स योर पोस्टिंग. अगर पोस्टिंग की बात करें तो एक यहां पर दिस इज हाउ सेबी इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम आरबीआई. जहां तक आरबीआई नाबार्ड की बात हुई तो आपके हेडक्वार्टर में भी आपको पोस्टिंग हो सकती है, आपकी लोकल नहीं तो रीजनल ऑफिस में भी पोस्टिंग हो सकती है. बट व्हाट अबाउट दिस सेबी? सो सेबी मोस्ट ऑफ द पोस्टिंग्स happen in Mumbai only, because as we all know SEBI is an apex institution, apex regulatory body for your financial markets or capital markets. ठीक है, so whatever we are talking about our Nifty 50, our Nifty 50, then about overall our stock exchange, everything which is the center of all these financial markets, yes, that is Mumbai. So that is why Mumbai being economic capital, yes, SEBI is also the headquarter is in Mumbai. Your posting, there is very high chance that 90% it will be in Mumbai only, mostly not in any regional or local local subordinate organization. The other thing is that yes, if you get promoted and after getting an good service or experience, later you may get an position in any of the regional offices. Now let us talk about after 5-year service. If you are lucky, you will get posting in the regional office. As I told you, थोड़ी सर्विस करने के बाद then you can get a regional office, but initially when you are joining, no, you will be in headquarter only. But it's a great deal because yes, as you all know, Mumbai is the city of dreams. So जिनको ये लगता है this is a good opportunity, posting I think many of the people would be happy with. Training done, posting done. Now what about the departments and responsibilities? I'll also quote it that these are your duties. मैं बताऊंगा department wise आपके duties क्या क्या होंगे. First is corporate finance department. So it takes everything related to mergers and takeovers. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर more your role or your responsibility, your duty would be related to overall doing the data crunching, doing preparing the balance sheets of overall mergers, takeovers of different corporates. Okay, checking at their balance sheets, etc. etc. Okay. दूसरी चीज, दूसरा डिपार्टमेंट है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एंड पॉलिसी एनालिसिस, रिसर्च वर्क. आई कैन गिव यू एग्जांपल्स आल्सो. इफ यू सी रिसेंटली SEBI has been very active in the capital markets, in importantly in shares and influence financial influencers influencing the shares. So how are financial influencers using the platform? Okay, so everything related to such research work which is related to capital markets, which is related to shares, mutual funds, bonds, everything is done by this particular wing. Here you will get a very good opportunity to touch the areas of data analysis. So for all the people who are very interested in economics, in policy making, in research work, they can definitely go in this department. Then comes Department of Debt and Hybrid Securities. This is also very good department. It looks after debt securities. Okay. Then comes Enforcement Department. This is my personal favorite department. Enforcement, prosecution and penalty. We all know YouTubers were there. They were influencing the shares कि ये share खरीद लो. Then recently there were 6 anchors who were apprehended by SEBI and even charges were filed against them for influencing common people to buy certain shares. Not only that, SEBI was also responsible. Look at the research, look at the execution power of the SEBI, that SEBI even got their WhatsApp chats that how they were trying to influence the shares. So this is the power of enforcement department. They will not only do the enforcement, they will do prosecution also, and they'll put the penalty charges also. For example, one of the YouTubers, I think 4 YouTubers were there. SEBI has actually put a monetary penalty also, as well as banned them from any of the capital market transactions. So in this way, SEBI enforcement department is a really good. It would be like you are CBI or CID only in context of stocks. Okay, so SEBI make sure through enforcement department कि कोई दूसरा हर्षद मेहता पैदा ना हो. ठीक है. Next comes recovery and fund department. This is related to recovery if any frauds or if any losses happen in context of, again, financial markets. General Services Department, Account, Security, Facilities and Management. This is a general operational or management related department which handles overall SEBI's functions. IT department you will be knowing about. Every organization is trying to make its information and technology pillar strong, considering AI, considering cyber attacks, right? So even stock exchange also happens mostly. Look at ourselves, we use Zerodha, we use Grow. So that's why IT department has a very crucial role. Legal Affairs Department, considering that SEBI also has to knock on the doors of the courts. So that one. Market Intermediaries Regulation and Supervision Department, and then comes Vigilance Department. So whatever recent activeness of SEBI is there, that is related to 3 departments. Enforcement Department, then comes your Recovery and Fund Department, IT Department and Vigilance Department. These are the 4 departments which are very, very active these days. Okay. Corporate Finance Department is the core of SEBI related to merger and takeovers, but it is more related to the corporate dealings. Okay, this is also very important. I have told you which are the 5 important departments in recent times. I hope respective responsibilities also you understand. Now comes what are the respect and powers related. So if you go through various web series which have taken place right now, so you take example of Harshad Mehta, okay, you take examples of various other also frauds related to stock market. So being if you are an SEBI grade A officer, then definitely you can say that I am a part of Apex Regulatory Institution of Financial Markets. So if you think who is the real Harshad Mehta of stock exchanges, of Nifty 50, of Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange, so real Harshad Mehta is actually SEBI. SEBI can do anything it wants. Okay. Then comes the other thing is that if you become a part of SEBI, if you become an assistant manager, SEBI grade A officer, yes, you will have some secret information and you have to keep it safe. You cannot do the breach of information by spreading it out into the open. It's very, very crucial that such information has to be kept immune from the common people or maybe mainstream media. Okay, so this is one, that is safety, security, and most importantly, little bit having security of information. That is what SEBI always try to keep it at in the overall organization. Then you will be not allowed to invest in markets except through mutual funds. You can invest in mutual funds, but definitely you cannot do complete investment in markets, considering that you are already in SEBI. So in SEBI, what happens is that most of the financial markets, capital market, whatever is going to happen, you will have an early information of it. If any company fraud has happened in the balance sheets, you will be the first person knowing it. So you as a person can take advantage of it, and that is why SEBI has made these 2 points. First, secrecy, that is oath of secrecy, which is called, you cannot throw out the information with SEBI. As a professional you are getting from SEBI, you cannot throw it out into open. And second is you cannot invest in markets. Then is you can meet definitely as a SEBI grade A officer, as well as when you go through promotions, you will meet big people, big shots like big brokers, then big CEOs. Okay, this is a really great opportunity considering that how crypto market has grown up, and even after COVID, how financial markets also have taken up. So it's a very, very great respect as well as power you will be getting. CTC of SEBI grade A officer is also a lot. As I told you, it's not a private organization, government organization, still 22 CTC, 22 lakhs. So it's a great win-win situation if you get selected. Then comes working timings, and this is something great about SEBI. corporate like culture is there. It is very, very professional. See, for RBI, SEBI, NABARD, all the three, what we see in the corporate culture, the cubicle space, exactly it is not cubicle spaced culture, but definitely certain hierarchy is there, certain professionalism is maintained, and more importantly, it is bureaucratic in nature. So how civil services are there, in similar fashion, it is bureaucratic in nature. Then comes your working timings, 9 to 5, but initially you have to work little bit, okay, on weekends also. So Saturday, Sunday, sometimes initially when you are you have done training, you have to work sometimes on those days also. And then comes promotions, as I told you, assistant manager from A, then manager B, then assistant general manager C, then deputy general manager D, then general manager E, then your chief general manager F, then executive director, whole-time director, and chairperson. And after promotions, transfer, yes. If you see, most of the workforce is in Mumbai, but transfers also happen, but those are very, very rare. If you see, my friend is there, he works in Delhi. Only 89 people were there in the Delhi office of SEBI. So see how much less people are there. So transfers may be based on the needs of organization or request based, but most of the people consider this. If you become a SEBI grade A officer, your life would be in Mumbai. So see, this is all about the discussion today. Thank you very much. And for all the students who are preparing, definitely go and check out our course. The link has been given in the description. Thank you very much.